Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix when you run your Visual Studio in Chrome. It says localhost 8080. So if you ever had this problem, I have two solutions for you that you could try. The first solution is going for the task menu or taskbar and search for CMD. Now here on the CMD command prompt, right click on it, and guys, make sure to run it as administrator, and a pop-up will show up and just simply select a yes. Now here you could just simply type in ipconfig space slash flush DNS, and from here select enter, and as you can see we have successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, and mostly this can fix the issue. Now if the problem is still showing up, what you could try to do is also clear the cache into your Chrome. So to do that, go to your Chrome, select the three dots on the top right corner, and then go ahead and go through the settings. Now over here, you could just simply go for the privacy and security tab, and right here you will have delete browsing data. Now from here, you will have the cache images and files. So make sure to check that, and make sure to check the cookies and other site data. And if you really want to completely remove the data, you will have an option over here, more, and you will have all time. And after that, just simply select delete data, and mostly this can fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.